I am only saying this to all the MPs. This is the aspiration of the people of India. MPs are representatives of the people of India. If people of India want a Jan Lokpal bill, MPs must rise to the occasion and build their own credibility by supporting this bill. Jan Lokpal bill must be introduced into Parliament as a bill without any changes, and a debate must happen within Parliament, and the support for the Jan Lokpal bill must come from inside Parliament, not only from outside Parliament.
Right. 7 ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು ಉಪವಾಸ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೀಗ ಅಣ್ಣಾ ಹಜಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವರು ಹಿಂಬಾಗಿಲ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಧಾನ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾವು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಸಿಂಘ್ವಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಈ ಸ್ಲೋ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't understand it. I think the government of India has completely lost touch with the pulse of the people. The people of India want change. Everybody wants change, but only government of India sitting in Delhi seem to be living in an ivory tower and not connecting to the people of India. This will happen. Jan Lokpal bill will happen with the government support or without government support. I would urge the government, even today, it is not too late, come forward, engage with Anna Hazare and his team, embrace the Jan Lokpal bill, and let us have a good debate in Parliament about the Jan Lokpal bill.
Right. 70% of Indians, the young generation, the young Indian, demanding this bill, place it before the Parliament. Let us discuss and then we'll finalize this. But young Indians demand ಏನಿದೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಿವಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't understand. It is one of the big mysteries about why the government is doing what it is doing. It is maybe history will tell us later on in few months and few years why the government has mishandled it, why the government has been so apathetic to the people's voices. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I frankly do not understand.
ರಾಮಲೀಲಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣಾ ಹಜಾರೆಗೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಬೆಂಬಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ರಾಮಲೀಲಾದ ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮುರಿದಿದೆ. ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಹೋಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಲ್. This bill not against any party or any particular leader or any others. This for the common Indian. This bill. Why the government still delaying this bill? They are not discussing. The PM saying we'll look into this. We are waiting. We are watching this. We are discussing. Why the PM and the Congress government will not? In particular, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು?
I think some politicians, not all politicians, some politicians have underestimated the determination of the people of India. ಒಂದು mistake. They have made a big monumental mistake in underestimating the determination of people. They have assumed that people will come and in a few days they will go away. But the last few days have proved that people are here. They will stay here. They will support Anna Hazare ji till they get the Jan Lokpal bill.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ enthusiasm. The whole common people. They are not representing a particular party or particular community.
Yes. Jan Lokpal bill is not, it is for Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, everybody in India. There is no political. That is why this is a movement which is unprecedented in independent India. It's non-violent, it is apolitical, and it covers everybody from Indian society. That is why this is such a unique phenomenon, and it cannot be ignored by anybody, least of all the government of the time.
One last question, Rajuji. The whole India, the young generation, 7 ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು ಉಪವಾಸ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು ಅಣ್ಣಾ ಹಜಾರೆ. He is not lose his concentration as enthusiasm. The whole youngsters are young Indians, those who are supporting this Anna Hazare or this bill, they are not lose their concentration or enthusiasm. So government ಈಗ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲೇಬೇಕಾದ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 7 ದಿನ ಕಳೆದ್ರು ಉಪವಾಸವನ್ನು ಅಣ್ಣಾ ಹಜಾರೆ ಬಿಡದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಯಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, it has Anna Hazare's life cannot be put at risk. It is all ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಅದು government responsibility also. We must urgently get government to start negotiating with Anna's team and introduce Jan Lokpal bill in Parliament. ಮತ್ತು Parliament session should be extended for 1 month. The debate must start now, must go on for 1 month, and hopefully a bill should be passed by September.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.